Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to change background color on Instagram story. Firstly, open the Instagram app on your mobile device, then tap the plus icon to create a new story. Capture a photo or video or upload one from your gallery. Just tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Select Draw from the menu. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a range of color options and a dropper icon. Pick a color from the palette or use the dropper to match a color from your image. Once you've selected your color, press and hold the screen for a few seconds, and the background will automatically fill with the chosen color. Use the eraser tool to reveal parts of your image or video, and add stickers, text, links, and music to make your story more engaging. Just tap undo if you make a mistake, and once you're happy with your result, just tap your story to share it with your followers. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.